Hi everyone, I'm doing an unboxing today and it came in this box. It was a pre-loved purchase. It was pre-loved and I had bought it through eBay. It looks like that. It's nicely bubble wrapped, which is great. And as you can see, it is from Louis Vuitton. I'm sure you guys already saw that. And I have not bought this in ever. I've never bought it, but it's in this dust bag to reveal the Speedy Nano in the monogram canvas. This was from 2021. It's so tiny. Look how freaking cute that is. And this was modified. The previous seller had shortened it a couple inches, which is perfect because I honestly like where that hits. This is my waist and here's my hips. So it's like between my hip and my waist ratio. Oh, I love that. Because it was modified, eBay could not authenticate it because it's considered a custom piece. So with that said, I'm going to have to authenticate it through a third party myself. Side note, if you guys like my glasses, I have a coupon code I will put down below, and these are actually prescription glasses, but Firmu, the company, they also have sunglasses, reading glasses, and prescription glasses. But look how cute. So for reference, this is my Louis Vuitton loop bag in the PM size. I currently have it stuffed at the moment, but it's actually not that bad. Let me show you where each bag hits me. And I am 5 foot and I'm a size 12 for reference. So they hit me about the exact same. The loop maybe like half an inch lower, but that's because of this design right there. But yeah, look how cute. I really like that. And then let's see, this might be too long to put on here, but take off the chain just to see. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, look how cute. It just kind of lays there. That's kind of cute. What do you guys think? I mean, it's not like it's doing anything, but if I were to tuck in the straps for and then wear this, no, that's actually too short. But yeah, that could be a cute little clutch moment. No, I don't like that. Let me put it back in my loop. This looks like it's patinaed already. Oh, I see. Okay, I didn't notice that. So it looked like she just did it herself, the seller. It's a little, could use some work. But I do have a monogram canvas strap that I purchased for my Speedy 20 when I had a Speedy 20 that I could just put on here. I could literally just cut this off and just put that on, but I don't know, I'll let it stay there, see how I feel. But for reference, this is an iPhone 14 regular and that fits in there. no problem. And I only use, like, for example, I have receipts and then my keys in here, and then business cards throughout the day. So this is more than enough space for me. And I could still fit in a diaper and wipe. No, maybe just one or the other. Let me see. Here is a diaper. As you guys know, I do have a toddler still. Oh, that fits in there. And I'm sure I could fit like a small pack of wipes. And then I have it filled. I'll just show you guys. Yeah. Not too bad. What do you guys think? Is this something that you guys would still look into purchasing from Louis Vuitton? Let me know. Like I said, I've never bought this before. I've only tried it on in person. I know that the new Speedy, the mini Speedy, what is this size called? It's much smaller than this one now, but that one does have the detachable strap. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.